Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to fried rice with minced meat and French beans. Hope you like it. This fried rice is simple and easy to make. It contains meat, crispy French beans, rice and scrambled eggs. It is nutritious, delicious, and has a rich taste. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Ingredients: overnight rice, minced meat, French beans, chopped garlic, celery. There is celery in the fridge, so I cut some and stir-fried it together. Optional to add or omit if you dislike it. French beans remove head and tail, then cut into small dice. Crack eggs into bowl, beat until frothy and set aside. Fried egg and set aside. Stir-fry chopped garlic. Stir-fry minced meat. Add French beans once meat mixed is cooked. Add rice and stir-fry. Pour in your favorite seasoning. I like this Thai basil seasoning. It's really delicious when used for fried rice. Friends who don't like this kind of seasoning can add salt and pepper. It is also recommended to add a little fish sauce for a better taste. Drizzle soy sauce at side of wok. Soy sauce smell great. Lastly, add fried egg and stir fry evenly.
Smells so good. Can't wait to have a bite.
Fried rice is done. Plate and let's eat. It's mouthful of ingredients with every bites. Optional to add chili if you like spicy tastes. It's yummy. The invisible minced meat was a real surprise because it really felt like I was eating meat, but with the rice grains, which was great. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.